Hello all. Today's video is going to be about DIY airband. So, making DIY airband at home. So, this is a airband which I bought in H&M. So, we are going to make a similar one with our hand. So, hand sewing, not with machine. So, I will tell you how to do this with at home accessories. Before getting into the complete video, you can have a look at my airband. So I have made it similar to that of the one I bought from H&M. So you can find it. So similarly we have made this. So you can see how I'm wearing it. So you could find how intact it stands. So let's get into the video. As the beginning, I'm threading the needle with thread, and so this is a maxi, old maxi of mine. So one part of it I have cut, and from that I'm taking elongated part. I have cut this separately. I have selected this print because I loved this. I thought I would like such a design on my airband, so I selected this part of the maxi. This is an old maxi. Like that you could select something from a good material or even new one you can try. So in this we are trying old one with old one, as it's a DIY stuff, that too just to make use of the old stuffs, so at home available stuffs. So make sure there is no particular measurements. Instead I have made sure this will fit my head. So keep this cloth on your head and measure according to that. So I'm making it into two pieces, equal pieces. Why? Because we are going to make crossover airband like thing. So I'm doing it hand sewing only. So with the thread I'm going to sew it up. From now on, just have a watch over what I'm doing, and you can do in such a way to get a super hairband. In the width part of this rectangular type cloth which you have, sew it up in one side alone, one of the width part alone. In both the things do that, so that from you're going to take the inner part of the cloth for a neat outer look through the other part of the width. So don't sew one of the width part. elastic. You may buy a elastic or get elastic from any other old dress, or you can purchase elastic. It's available in market. Insert the elastic into this. That's it, we are done with the airband. So you can have a look at it. This is what it looks like. Doesn't this print look awesome? So I just for more such videos, do subscribe to us and share our videos with your friends, and also like, share and comment. Bye.